Here's a behind-the-scenes look at what a prolotherapy treatment's like. This was my first prolotherapy session from July 8th, and as you can see, Dr. Hauser is injecting the solution into my neck. It's not just one shot and done, it's many injections that contain dextrose as a main ingredient, among a few other things. The dextrose acts as a mild irritant that's injected into the joints where the injured ligaments and tendons attach to the bones. The solution causes inflammation, which activates the immune system to initiate tissue repair.
You doing good?
My nurse was checking in on me
Feeling okay?
periodically, and I really was doing all right. I could hear and feel the injections and the solution going in, but it was kind of cool in a weird way. Just imagine putting a syringe of a marinade into like a chicken breast. During the treatment, I tried to remain as calm as possible by taking deep breaths and just talking myself through it. It really wasn't too bad, even with me not being medicated or sedated. I did have a numbing cream on that helped a lot, though. So if you pay attention to this part, you'll see he's using an ultrasound to direct him for specific areas. And when he injects the solution, you'll see the
Here
screen
you go.
light up. So that's kind of cool. But why prolotherapy? Because, well, almost all chronic pain with the structural cause is due to joint instability. Ligaments are what
Feeling
stabilize
good?
our joints as they connect bones together. During normal use, ligaments gradually stretch when under tension and then return to the original length when the force is released, similar to how a rubber band or spring works. However, when they stretch too far or too long, they don't return to their original shape and they remain stretched out or loose. This ligament laxity causes a joint to be unstable, weak, and puts all the structures in and around the joint at risk of being damaged. This weakened or damaged tissue is what causes pain. And for someone like me who has hypermobility spectrum disorder, I already have loose joints, so I really need the help. The best analogy I've heard for this is comparing a human joint to a cabinet hinge. If a screw is loose on a cabinet hinge, you would take a screwdriver and tighten it. Prolotherapy acts as a screwdriver for loose joints. I really could feel the inflammation from the injections causing stability for like about a week. I literally couldn't move my neck into a bad posture. And if you compound those treatments and pair them with improved habits of good posture and physical therapy, then over time, you'd see that cervical instability become stable. So it's all starting to make sense. And there you go. That is behind the scenes of what it was like for me. And if you saw my other video, you know I didn't respond well, but now I'm prepared for next time.